So guys, you're welcome once again to this YouTube channel. This video is a rejoinder to a previous video on my channel. We talked about how to download Udemy courses using a free Chrome extension. There were a lot of controversy about the video, most especially on a particular Telegram group which I belong, which I posted the video. Some people were able to use it and some were not able to use it. Some say it didn't work for them. We tried a whole lot of things. They changed browsers, but still some people said it did not work for them. You can check my channel, or I'll link it somewhere in the description. I'll link the video. You can check it out. It's actually a very good video. It still works for some people. But this is another method that I want to describe today. There's another method to download Udemy videos, but I want you to note that the videos that can be downloaded with all these two methods are videos which you have already subscribed for. Please, Udemy instructors go through a lot to build these courses, so it is there are no free courses anywhere. Definitely there are coupons most times on these courses, but let's support them. Let's support their business by buying some of their courses. Mostly once you buy these courses, you can now use this method to download them on your system so that you can watch them on a later date. Actually, the two methods do not work for random courses which you have not registered for. So I'll jump right on my screen. This is my Udemy account. In my Udemy account, I have the courses which I have bought. So I'll go to my learning. So once you get to my learning, so it will show the courses which you have bought. I have a lot of them. Actually, I have a lot of courses, so we're going to pick one of them. Let's pick this cPanel Ultimate course. So once you click the course that you want to download, so I'm on the course that I want to download. This course has, let's say, it has 13 sections. I believe that should be like 13 videos. Section 1 is the introduction, so it has a video of 3 minutes, 16 minutes. So what we'll now do is this. You're now going to press Ctrl Shift and I. Once you press Ctrl Shift and I, it's going to bring up this section. It's going to bring up this section. So just look out for this network. You have element, you have console, you have network. Look out for this network. Click on the network and click on media. It's simple. Click on network and click on media. Definitely this place will soon be populated by the courses that you want to download. Just click on network and click on media. Once it's on that, then play the video. This is the first video. This is the first video. This is the first video. So just click this arrow to the second course, which is the overview. Immediately you click to the second course, which is the overview. This will come up, webhd_720p.mp4. So this is the second video. What you just do is you right click on this second video, right click on it, open it in a new tab. Once you open it in a new tab, it's going to open this video. Opening it in a new video in a new tab, you'll be able to click these 3 dots. By the time you click these 3 dots, you see this download tab, this download option. So you can use this to download it onto your system. Let's imagine that you have downloaded this second video. Go to the next one, which is, so you see it populate immediately. This is the third. Let's go. This is the fourth video. This is the fifth video. Sixth video. Seventh video. Eighth video. Ninth video. So and on and on and on. If you have 15 videos, you just be downloading like that. So each of them, you now be right clicking, you open them in new tab. Let me do once again. You right click, open a new tab. Once you open a new tab, it's going to open in a new tab like this. You click these 3 dots. There's a 3 dots here. Once you click it, you see download, playback, picture in picture. So you just click download and it will download it on your system. So this looks more simpler. It doesn't involve you installing any Chrome extension. There's no Chrome extension that you will install here. This looks a little bit simpler. Just remember that once you open the course like this, the course video, you go to network, you hit Ctrl Shift and I, then you go to your network. Most times, even if you don't see the network here, click this arrow here. So once you go to network, just go to media. Sometimes your option might be on all, but if it's on all contains all the files, a lot of files, including JPEG, a lot of files. But once it's on media here, it will be specific for the video files. So doing it like this, you can download your I hope this works for anybody that tries it. If you try it and it works, please, you can hit me up in the comment section and tell me that it worked for you. Let me know if it works for anybody. Let's see. The aim of this video, the aim of everything, is to help anybody. Udemy is a very good course platform whereby you can learn a whole lot of things, and even in learning it, you have to learn it with convenience. So mostly when you download it on your system, it's more convenient for you to watch at a probably later date. So hit me up in the comment section. Let me know if it works for you, either the first video or the second video, whichever works for you. Let me know. Help me subscribe to this channel and like this video also, so that a lot of other people can still see it and learn a whole lot of it. Thank you so much.